everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your battery on VW 2013 2.5 liter vehicle. And I just bought this battery from Walmart. And these are the tools that you're going to need. You're going to need your wrench. You're going to need your 3/8 inch drive extension bar. And you're going to need your 10 double M. And you're going to need your 1/2 inch wrench. So that is all we need to be able to take out our battery. So the first thing you're going to do is to remove the connection to the battery using your 10 double M. You connect it to your driver. Now you're going to unscrew it. And once you unscrew the terminal, you take it out, push it to the side, and do the same thing on the negative side. And once you unscrew it, you take it out and you push it to the side. So now there's no connection on the positive and no connection on the negative. All right. So now what we need to do is, there is a bolt right in here. Let me zoom in so you can see it. Right there. We need to unscrew that and take it out. So with that, we're going to use our wrench. Going to use our 1/2 inch and connect it, and then we're going to use our extender. We're going to use our extender to connect, and then we're going to use our 1/2. So now this is what you need. So now we're going to go in here . You're going to unscrew it. Once you get it out completely, you take your screw out. So we're taking our screw out. I'm going to set it on the side, and we're going to try to remove the top cover. Here's the top cover that covers it. Now the battery is free for it to come out. Right, so you lift both handles. Set it right here. Be able to see it. And with this out of the way, take the old battery out. And exactly just how you took it out, I'm going to put the new one in. Yeah, once you set the new one in, then you're going to use the connector again to screw it back in on the other side. So right there. Be sure it is lined up, right? Now you put your screw in. You screw in a little bit. Then you need your 1/2 inch. And this time you're going to turn it around. I'm going to tighten it up. Nice. So once you're able to get it lined up, then you tighten it. Yeah, once you tighten it, push the battery to make sure it's not moving. Now you're going to connect your positives and your negatives. So you're going to take, there's a cover on the battery that you need to take out. Always the positive is already covered with, positive is covered with a plastic, so you're going to take it out and pull it out, and you're going to connect your positive. You're going to connect your positive. Once you connect your positive, then you're going to switch back to your, you're going to switch back to your 10 double M. You're going to switch back to your 10 double M, and you're going to tighten it. Be sure you tighten it really well so you get good grip and good connection. Alright, so now you're going to connect your negative part. The negative terminal has a cover to it. You just have to lift it up and pick it up. And now you're going to connect your negative to it. In the same way, once you connect to your negative, you're going to use your wrench. Make sure you have a good, really tight connection. So yeah, once you have this connected, look like my wrench is stuck in there. So a little bit tight on the corner, so try as much as you can to work it along to get it up. So once you connect these two, and that is it. You have your brand new battery installed. All right. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Like it, subscribe it, and share it. And as always, put the comments in the comment below, and then I will check, I will respond, and I will let you know. And let me know if you have any other video you want me to put up. Put it right there in the comment, and I will be right back at it. All right. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.